What do you think? Is Pi Network finally decoupling with Bitcoin? And Pi Network has a price action of its own. It's no longer dependent on the Bitcoin price action. What do you think? Comment your thoughts and let's continue our conversation from there. Hi everyone, this is a Pi News update. This is the date and time of our recording. So we're just going to check the current price action of Pi Network. Okay, so we have here Pi Network going to Philippine Peso conversion. We can see here that Pi has significantly increased, okay, in terms of price action, wherein 1 Pi is equal to 83.79 Philippine Peso and is currently up by 57.4%, okay, as of the date and time of our video. I titled this video as Pi Network decoupling with Bitcoin, okay? So let's go to the CoinMarketCap website to get a better visual of that. So we're on the CoinMarketCap website. We're going to click on Bitcoin. So this is the Bitcoin price as of the date and time of our video. It's only up by 0.21%. One Bitcoin is equal to 104,458 $462.07. Wow. This is one of the favorite features I use on the CoinMarketCap website, okay? We're going to search PiCoin. Okay, and we're going to compare the price action of PiCoin with Bitcoin, okay? So, on a 24-hour time frame, we can notice that Bitcoin appears to be just stable, but PiCoin continues to rise in the past 24 hours, okay? I'm sure that this event for Consensus 2025 is one factor, okay? We're going to have Nicolas Kokalis, the founder and head of technology from our Pi network, as a speaker for this sought-after event, okay? And then the second factor would be the ecosystem announcement of Pi network this coming May 14, 2025, okay? So, based on fundamental analysis, these are two of the events that I feel are also contributing to the positive action of the Pi network at the moment, okay? Regardless if Bitcoin is only moving at a stable pace, okay? We can see a more uptrend on the Pi network crypto compared to Bitcoin. This is on a 24-hour time frame. If we're going to switch to 7 days, we can really see that the Pi network has more price action upwards compared to Bitcoin. Even if we're going to switch on a 1-month view, we can really see here that Pi network has risen from the ashes. Wow, so very good. Disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purpose only and are not financial advice, okay?